Hello everybody, my name is Abdul Karoma. Now, how many of you love eating different types of food? Well, today I'm going to show you how to prepare a very popular dish in Sierra Leone that is called cassava leaves. With a few of these very simple steps, you'll be an expert at preparing this well-renowned dish. As a child growing up in a Sierra Leonean family, and also visiting Sierra Leone as I've grown older, I'm pretty proficient in preparing cassava leaves. I'm going to tell you the ingredients that you will need, how to cook the cassava leaves, and also how to serve them properly in the African tradition. Now let's get started. To start things off, I would like to tell you the ingredients that you will need. First, you will need vegetable oil, peanut butter, 46 bags of cassava leaves, also known as yucca leaves, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 brown bulbs, salt, pepper, Maggi chicken flavoring, coconut milk, which is optional, 2 to 3 bell peppers, whichever ones you want, and your choice of meat, whether it be chicken, beef, fish, whatever you want. You will also need a blender to grind the cassava leaves. Now that I've told you the ingredients and the items that you will need, I will now tell you guys how to cook the cassava leaves. First, you will need to put about 3 cups of vegetable oil into a pot and set the fire to medium and let it warm up. As the oil is warming up, you could cut the onions and bell peppers into little pieces and put them into the oil. Once you do that, you put the cassava leaves into the blender and add about a cup of water into it and grind it up. Once the cassava leaves looks like it's in liquid form, you may put it into the pot. Once you put it into the pot, you stir it very effectively for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you put in 1.5 spoons of peanut butter, the 2 cans of tomato sauce, and the coconut milk one after another into the pot and also stir effectively for 2 to 3 minutes. Lastly, you put your choice of meat into the pot and then add your spices, salt, pepper, Maggi chicken flavor, etc. into the pot and stir it for one last time. You can also add a little bit more if you want to be like, oh, maybe you think that this is good, or yeah, you can use that as well. After stating the steps in which you take to cook the cassava leaves, I'll finally tell you how to prepare it in the African culture. There's only 2 different ways in which you can serve your cassava leaves. The most used way in which you serve the cassava leaves is in white or brown rice. You put the rice in the plate or the bowl, whichever one you're eating in, and you put about the half amount of cassava leaves into the bowl so that there is more rice than there is cassava leaves. The other way to eat it which is pretty rare, is to eat it with another African-made food called fufu. It is a ball of grated cassava plant, yucca plant as well, and is found in Ghana and in Nigeria. You just put the cassava leaves next to the fufu and you mix them together as you eat. I have now explained to you how to make cassava leaves. I have told you about the ingredients you need, how to cook it properly, and also how to serve it. Cassava leaves is a very healthy dish that is also very delicious. It is a very popular dish in Sierra Leone and also favored by its neighboring countries such as Liberia and Guinea. I hope that everybody enjoys it. Thank you.